Namaste, dear children. I hope all of you are fine and doing well at home. Today, the date is 28/9/2020. I am going to give you the revision regarding the first lesson, the Sinbad Sailor in English, because tomorrow is your UT. UT means unit test of this lesson. Yes or no, children? Yeah. In this lesson, glossaries are given as I read out so many times. Glossaries means difficult word meaning. Children, you have to read this and understand. Okay. And anatomies means opposite word. Children, here given clear, the opposite word unclear, sold, bought, and asleep, awake. Turn your page number 10. Children, here also given textbook inside questions like what object fell near Sinbad, what were the men doing. If you read this chapter properly, then you come to know this inside textbook question. Children, this time I will give inside textbook questions also, so read the lesson properly and understand. Okay. Now see, here also given where did the bird take Sinbad to, and glossary is there, and anatomies. As I told you, use opposite word tiny, noticed, unnoticed, found, lost. Here in page number 11, children, glossary also you have to read, and anatomies. Surprised, opposite word disappointed, allowed, opposite word disallowed, went, opposite word came. And here also inside textbook question is given, how did the traders learn about the diamond on the island. Okay, children, I hope all of you understood what I told. Now here see, textbook work is given, that is put right or wrong means it is nothing but true or false. You have to read these lines properly. If the statements are true according to the textbook, you have to put right mark, otherwise wrong. Okay, here first one, when Sinbad woke up the ship was gone, it is right. Huge pieces of meat fell near Sinbad, it is also correct. Now turn your page number 12. In that you can see, from the valley the birds carried Sinbad to the traders. It is wrong. Yes or no? The bird did not carry him from the valley. The traders robbed Sinbad money. No, it's also wrong. Instead of robbing, they helped Sinbad by giving diamonds. Here, match the following is given, children. You have to match A column with B column. Means A column questions are given, B column will be their related answers. Huge chunks of meat, answer will be were used to collect diamonds. The men who threw the meat were traders. Sinbad flew along with the bird to its nest. Finally, Sinbad, what he did, went back to Baghdad. Understood, children? Now here see, answer the following is given. What did Sinbad set from? Where did Sinbad set sail from? The answer will be Baghdad. What happened when Sinbad fell asleep? The ship had left him and gone. Why were the traders throwing chunks of meat into the valley? Because they thought the chunks of meat, the diamond will stick, and birds will carry chunks of meat, and they can collect that diamonds from the bird's nest. So in this way they thought, and they were throwing chunks of meat near the valley. Yes or no? I had given the answer. You read that answer properly and understand. What happened to Sinbad in the back? You all know that Sinbad went back to the Baghdad and lived happy life with the rich. Thus what he had gained. Understood? Now all these question answers also I had given. You have to read the question first and understand properly, then you write the answer neatly. Okay. Now grammar given in this, what is collective noun I told you, and examples of collective noun. Okay. And here in page number 13 also, collective noun fill in the blanks is there. You have to read and understand and put proper collective noun for the question. I hope, children, all of you understood this. Now I will continue with your social revision. Okay. As I told you, children, now we do the revision of our social first lesson, that is early human beings. You all of you understood this chapter, I think, children, because I taught you in early days. You have to read this lesson thoroughly and understand what are the facts given in this lesson. Okay. Now the page number 235, they had given choose the correct answers. Early human beings were hunters and dash children. Here four options are given. Which option is correct? You have to fill the answers. The option first is correct. Early human beings were hunters and gatherers. Okay, early human beings lived on dash riverbanks, boats, roots, or trees. You know, children, it is trees. Early human beings took shelter in dash caves, houses, buildings, hotels. They took shelter in caves. The clothes that early human beings wore were made from silk thread, cotton, leaves, jute. It is leaves. I hope all of you understood, children. Now turn your page number 236. Here also choose the correct answer is given. Early human beings learned to use stones as dash beds, clothes, tools, shelter. The answer will be tools. Stone tools were made to help early human beings to build rooms, start forest fires, grow trees, dig and cut. It is dig and cut. The Stone Age can be divided into dash 3, 4, 5, 2 periods. How many I taught you? It is 3 periods. Fire was probably discovered while rubbing two stones, leaves, hands, trees together. It should be stones. Fire helped early human beings to protect themselves from wild animals and the dash. Sun, cold, wind, water. It is cold. I hope all of you understood, children. Now see you at page number 237. Here, match the following is given. A column will be the questions and B column will be the answers. You have to match the proper answers. Understood? Nomads means hunter gatherers, trees and caves, shelter, cave paintings, pictures drawn inside caves, Neolithic age, New Stone Age, fire used to keep warm. Understood, children? If you read the lesson properly, you will understand all the answers. Okay? Now, here choose the correct answers and fill the blanks. Here also options are given. You have to read out and see which one is the correct one and fill. Early human beings ate wild fruits, wheat, rice, soil. You know wild fruits. Early human beings covered their bodies using dash jute, nylon, silk, animal skin and leaves. It is animal skin and leaves. The first tools of early human beings were made of stone. The old Stone Age is called as the dash age, Paleolithic age. It is believed that fire was discovered by accident. Yes or no, children? Now I'll go with question and answers. What the question and answers, children? What was the food eaten by the early human beings, children? What were the food eaten by the early human beings, children? As I told you, early human beings ate fruits, nuts that grew on trees, roots of plants, and the flesh of animals that they hunted. You have to read this properly and understand. What did early human beings find shelter? Sorry, where did early human beings find shelter? Early human beings sought shelter on trees and in caves. Yes or no? Now, how did the development and use of tools help early human beings? Early human beings began to find it easier to dig and cut using stones as tools rather than using their bare hands, nails, and teeth. They used their stone tool to hunt, dig, cut, and build. Understood? How did historians divide the Stone Age? The Stone Age is divided into how many? Three ages. Then Paleolithical means Old Stone Age, Mesolithic means Middle Stone Age, and Neolithic means New Stone Age, children. Okay. Now you see the last question. How was discovery of fire useful to early human beings? Fire helped early human beings to keep themselves warm. They used fire to keep themselves safe from wild animals. Slowly, they used fire to cook raw food. I know all of you understood this. Watch the video thoroughly and read out your English and social textbook properly and understand the question and answers, true or false, and match the following. All the best for your UT children. Thank you.